Once upon a time in the celestial realms, there lived an angelic boy named Aiden. Blessed with a heart full of kindness and wings that shimmered like morning dew, Aiden was sent to Earth on a special mission. One day, Aiden found a lonely, sad girl named Lily in a forgotten corner of the world. With a gentle smile, he shared his warmth and laughter, turning her tears into twinkling stars. Aiden became Lily's guardian angel, guiding her through life's ups and downs. As they journeyed together, Aiden taught Lily the magic of compassion, the joy of sharing, and the power of love. The more kindness they spread, the brighter their surroundings became. Aiden's angelic acts inspired others, creating a ripple effect of goodness. In the end, Aiden's earthly mission was complete. As he bid farewell, he left behind a world transformed by his love. The tale of the angel boy, Aiden, became a legend, reminding children that even the smallest acts of kindness can turn ordinary days into extraordinary adventures filled with love and joy.